अपनी फेवरेट फिल्मों के बारे में जानने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फिल्म कंपेनियन लोकल पर। बेल आइकॉन दबाएं ताकि आप एक भी अपडेट मिस न करें।
एक स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी स्पेशल देखते देखते अगर मैं रो पड़ूं तो क्या ये एक स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी स्पेशल हो सकता है? I'm gonna ask Veer Das because he's done this. Hi Veer, welcome to Bol Baby Bol
Hello.
मेरे यानी रोहीन के साथ। How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. आप पहली औरत नहीं है जिनको मैंने रुलाया है अपनी कॉमेडी से, unfortunately. But hopefully these were tears of joy.
Thank God, I just felt like a complete idiot क्योंकि I went in, आपका जो स्पेशल है इसका नाम है Inside Out, and I went in thinking, oh, this is gonna be fun, you know, एक घंटा मैं हंसने वाली हूँ, but क्योंकि एक लॉकडाउन स्पेशल है, I just guess it's been so hard on everybody, and I'm gonna start with that. You know, how tough is it to make people laugh जब you know दुनिया के साथ ऐसा कुछ हो रहा हो जहाँ पर seriously यार everyone's going through so much. Did you start off thinking कि ये मेरा like aim है, I want to make people laugh during this tough time?
नहीं यार, I'll be honest, सच्ची बोलूं तो I was very very cranky जब शुरू हुआ. And largely ये जो online shows थे मैं charity के लिए कर रहा था. I was just trying to raise money, right? So saying चलो आज 200-300 टिकट बेच के एक अलग अलग चैरिटी के लिए वो पैसा डाल देंगे. So whether it is Doctors for You, etc. etc. एंड क्योंकि जूम शोज थोड़े से वियर्ड होते हैं, थोड़ा सा लैग होता है, पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होता है, सिंपली वार्म अप करने के लिए, क्राउड वर्क के लिए आई स्टार्टेड आस्किंग दीस क्वेश्चंस सेइंग भैया जब लॉकडाउन खुल जाएगा तो क्या करेंगे आप,
Yeah.
सपना क्या है आप. एंड बिकॉज वी वर I'd forgotten कि हम सब इतने वनरेबल है. The answers, you know, usually comedy show में answers are like ये मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है, ये मेरी ये है, but because we are also vulnerable, people started giving these very real answers कि ये मेरा सपना है और आज मैं रोई या आज मैं दुखी था या I wanted to do this. And suddenly थोड़ा सा बज स्प्रेड हुआ कि इस शो में ये कॉन्वर्सेशन होता है.
Yeah.
And people started tuning in from everywhere in the world. So suddenly Costa Rica से, वुहान से, पोलैंड से, नॉर्वे से लोग आने लगे. और तब मुझको जाके लगा कि यार ये शायद मेरी जिंदगी में पहली बार और आखिरी बार है where the entire world is going through the same thing at the same time. This will never happen to me ever again, so I have to capture it somehow. So then the intention became कि मैं बस शो करूंगा और फिर ऑडियंस मुझको बताएगी कि शो का कंटेंट क्या है, which is the complete opposite of the career so
Yeah.
far. Usually आप शो में जाते हो and you're telling the audience what the content is. Here audience is setting terms of the content. So
Yeah.
that has been the change for me.
Yeah, and I think audiences are also missing this. But you know, this pivot, जिसे corporate language में pivot कहते हैं, जिसका मतलब है
हाँ.
कि हम कैसे इस दौर के साथ adapt कर पाए. You know, was there a reservation going in कि यार अभी मैं stand-up comedy Zoom shows पर करूँगा? Tell me the thoughts when you had to first do your first Zoom show. What were the things that you think you said यार कैसे कैसे होगा?
See, for me it was a very weird space because लॉकडाउन मार्च में शुरू हुआ. मैं इंडिया वापस आया फरवरी, आई थिंक अर्ली फरवरी.
Yeah.
एंड मेरा एक नया शो था, 90 मिनट्स का शो, एंड आई वाज बुक्ड फॉर अ 34 कंट्री वर्ल्ड टूर. आई वाज गेटिंग सेट टू लीव एंड आई वाज फीलिंग द बेस्ट आई एवर फेल्ट एज अ कॉमेडियन. तो मुझको लग रहा था मेरा स्किल सेट स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट है. आई फील स्ट्रॉन्ग, आई फील एट द टॉप ऑफ माय गेम राइट नाउ.
Yeah.
फिर लॉकडाउन हुआ तो मेरा सबसे बड़ा पैनिक पॉइंट था कि आई कैन नॉट गेट रस्टी. I feel the most skilled I've ever felt. I feel the most creative I've ever felt.
Yeah.
Right now. And I thought lockdown की वजह से वो नीचे जाएगा. And then doing this special, I feel more creative than I did before the lockdown. It's very strange.
Yeah, it is, and I'm glad कि you've kind of cracked this format क्योंकि जहाँ पर you know all of us have had to work from home, you know, using our internet and you know जहाँ से भी हो हम तो बस show करके ही रहेंगे. So I think that's pretty amazing. But what I love specifically about Inside Out is the fact that versus other stand-up shows जहाँ पर हम जाते हैं थिएटर के अंदर, वो एक घंटे जैसे कि आपने कहा you're standing on a stage making us laugh. आपकी जिंदगी का मतलब कोई लेना देना नहीं है हमारी जिंदगी के साथ. It's just a 1 hour commitment. But I think with this show, what I got was the fact that this sort of piece to cameras, you know, जो आप करते आए हैं, you know, which was I think the most enriching thing because it gave us a peek into your process. Because हमें लगता है कि stand-up comedians सिर्फ you know हंसते रहते हैं and they have to make us laugh. इनका सिर्फ एक ही like life है. I think that vulnerability, did you plan on this at all going in, or it's something that just happened as a process कि यार ये भी हो गया एक साथ?
I'll be honest with you. My team convinced me to put those piece to cams in. जो मेरा पहला edit था, I was like, this show is about the audience.
Yeah.
It must be about the audience. They come first. And they were like, no, please put more of that. We want to see more of that. And I never wanted to seem self-indulgent.
Yeah.
But,
yeah, but I think it's
my
great.
team has put it in.
And thanks to the team, because I think that ये जो, as you said, the lockdown has been hard on everybody. और मेरे हिसाब से ये एक एक दूसरा पहलू है, एक facet है stand up comedians का, खास करके ऐसे दौर में जहाँ पर you know this for a fact that the lockdown has been hard even on the stand up comedy industry. There's been a lot of hate, there's been a lot of anger, there's been jokes that have kind of surfaced for no rhyme or reason. They've gone wrong, people have been trolled, people have been victimized. I think what this special also does is show us के बेचारा जो stand up comedian है उसका भी lockdown चल रहा है, okay? ऊपर नीचे जा रहा है mood में, and I think that is the sheer win of this, because there are so many of these pieces where you're feeling like crap, but there you go, and then when you're talking to people, it just gets better. तो तुम्हें लगता है कि things just get better when people come together? Do you think that has been a beautiful sort of takeaway from this?
I think so, and also that no matter how bad you think you have it, someone has it worse. And no matter how good you think you have it, someone has it better. Like my wife and I हम दोनों बात कर रहे थे, and I was like, यार कब show करूँगा, कब ये करूँगा, कब वो करूँगा, and Shivani was like, सुन, Dave Chappelle का भी lockdown चल रहा है, like Chris Rock का भी lockdown चल रहा है, उनका Bill Burr का भी lockdown चल रहा है, Johnny Lever का भी lockdown चल रहा है, so everybody is going through the same damn thing. So keep your, your perspective in check, thoda sa. And then the one thing that kind of kept me motivated was, jab ye show ready hua, we took a very tough call with the show because the platforms all wanted this show to go up on their platforms, and we took a tough call saying we're not going to release it on a platform because the idea is to raise money for these 4 charities. And all the money goes towards these charities. The charities are for children, dogs, the elderly, and doctors. So if you hate kids and like dogs, or hate dogs and like doctors, or whatever, you'll find somebody who you can support with my stand-up special. But there are many people who don't have a Netflix subscription or an Amazon subscription, but have 30 rupees to spend. That's a very wide group of people. So now we're putting it on veerdas.in, which is the toughest thing ever done. If it works, we'll see.
Yeah, it's interesting because इसके साथ I think there are a lot of things that have been attempted, for the first time. As we say, ये हमारा भी पहला pandemic है, तो इस पहले pandemic में हमने बहुत सारी चीज for the first time की है. I think this self-publishing, as you would call it, which is, I'm a creator, ये मेरा खुद का platform है जहाँ पर मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरी audience आए और special देखे. It's interesting as you've chosen this for charity, but the pay as you like model ये भी मुझे काफी interesting लगता है, because again you're leaving it up to the audience. Why did you think that would be more easy? क्या मतलब 30 रुपए is probably the lowest that you could pay to watch this? Is that correct?
It's the minimum amount, and you can decide what your maximum is.
Okay, so
you get to choose where your money goes.
अच्छा मुझे बताओ, does an audience member pay before watching it या after watching it?
Before watching it, I'm not an idiot here. I'm gonna get your money first. So it's interesting, because so by the way, I should say shout out to Netflix because they supported me in doing this completely, 100%. They contributed to it and let me do this. So after 3 Netflix specials, for them to let me do that is a tremendous thing. But yeah, you get to go, you can pick which charity you want and how much goes to all of them. But yeah, I'm gonna get your money first, यार. I'm not an idiot. अभी थोड़ा
I'm saying नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने of course ये एक special screener देखा है. What my feeling is that people will finish watching it और फिर उन्हें लगेगा नहीं यार, it deserves more. So that's where I'm coming from.
No, I don't think. I don't want to risk that. I'd rather get the money in the door first. on the off chance that you and I are both wrong, let's get their money first. I think it's a
Let's
good
get the
idea.
money first. No, this is absolutely great. I also want to talk about mental health of a stand-up comedian. I'm sure कि industry के बहुत सारे younger comics, they've been going through something
Yeah.
for the first ever time, which is यार stage पे जाने का मौका नहीं मिल रहा है, shows करने का मौका नहीं मिल रहा है. Someone like you, of course, told me how tough that is for you. लेकिन
Yeah.
for the industry, do you feel that ये दौर जो है, what is it that you want to tell the younger comics out there? कुछ है मतलब do they reach out या फिर is there any advice जो वीरदास दे सकता है इनको कि hang in there या zoom shows करो? What have you figured out of this?
I think, see, there's no right answer for this because सब कुछ बदलने वाला है यार. When we get back to live shows, शायद अमेरिका और ऑस्ट्रेलिया में होने लगे हैं थोड़े से स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी शोज, लेकिन एक साल और का तो जर्नी लग रहा है. मिडिल ऑफ नेक्स्ट ईयर में the live stand up comedy market might kick off again. The only thing I can tell them is जब ये pandemic खत्म होगा, this is the last thing we want to hear about as a population. So start writing about the world that you want to live in. Don't write about the world that you are in right now. Because pandemic jokes तो हो गए ना at the end of the day. सबने भड़ास निकाल लिया pandemic का. But start writing jokes with optimism and start writing jokes about the world that you want to live in, because I think that's going to be the future of content in the next 2-3 years. Rediscovering the world.
Yeah, Veer, what have you learned about self motivation इस दौर में? क्योंकि वैसे भी stand up comics काफी self motivated है, कोई industry नहीं है, कोई माँ बाप नहीं होता जो कहता है कि ये लो पैसे और jokes लिखो. And I think self motivation is something that you don't need to look for in the lockdown. But has it been particularly tough, just to stay above the crabbiness? क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि यार मैं थोड़ा सा irritable रहा हूँ इस दौर में. Have you faced that?
For me, it is a process of letting go of control. अगर आप मेरा करियर देख लें, अनफॉर्चुनेटली या फॉर्चुनेटली, पिछले 10 साल में जो भी काम किया है मैंने, लार्जली जो अच्छा काम था, I've had to self produce या self create या self fund या self write, क्योंकि जब मौके ज्यादा मिलते नहीं है तो अपने मौके खुद बनाने पड़ते हैं, राइट? तो खुद का पैसा, खुद का ये, खुद का वो, तो फिर आदमी के अंदर थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल आ जाता है कि आई कैन कंट्रोल माई करियर, मैं शिप का कैप्टन हूँ, मैं स्टीयरिंग व्हील चला रहा हूँ. और ये पहली बार है 10 साल में वेर लाइक यार किसी और के कंट्रोल में है. अभी पैंडेमिक, वायरस, प्रेसिडेंट, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, कब लाइव शोज होंगे, कब शूट होगा, नो मैटर हाउ हार्ड आई वर्क, आई कांट चेंज इट. तो मेरे कंट्रोल में तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. दैट्स बिन टफ टू सिट बैक एंड गो, ठीक है अभी राम भरोसे, मोदी भरोसे, पूना वाला भरोसे, सबके भरोसे, देखते हैं क्या होता है.
There's a moment in this special where I think I completely broke down, जहाँ पर एक student ने आपसे कहा कि वो अमेरिका जाने वाला था, and you asked him कि visa वगैरह तैयार है, and फिर उन्होंने कहा नहीं, actually मेरी सिर्फ admission हुई है and I'm just looking forward to going. And I think that is that moment where suddenly comedy it's not about the comedy, it's just about human beings connecting. And I think मेरे हिसाब से कभी भी जब कोई piece of content, चाहे वो comedy वो tragedy हो, ये जो connect है, and I think that is the win of this material, because as you said, you've never given your audience this sort of spotlight, but true stories is where it's at. और कभी-कभी life is way more tragic or comic than you can ever write it. So, wow, what a beautiful, beautiful feeling. I think when you look back at this special, what has it taught you? I think it'll be lovely to end with this. कि क्या सीखा है यार ये एक special produce करके?
Never take your audience for granted. I see it in the special. I've been performing you for 10 years, but we just met. मैं समझता था कि you were one group of people that were distant and away from me and considering me worthy. You have lives, you have family members, you have houses, you have beds, you have rugs, you have carpets, and I've looked into all of your houses on Zoom in the last 4 months. So if I go back to being the artist that I was, who was distant from his audience and not having a real conversation with them, I failed because I met them for the first time. So that's my takeaway.
Well, fantastic. It's on veerdas.in. It's called Inside
Yes.
Out, and it's a 1 hour, almost an hour long, stand-up special, जो बहुत ही special है. So please, I would ask audiences to go log on and definitely, start with 30 rupees or pay more right in the start and go and watch
I,
it.
can I quickly tell you what the money is going to do? Because I think that's important. Just to tell
Definitely.
people कि क्या होने वाला है.
हाँ.
Alright, ठीक है. So firstly, 3 clicks. आप website पे जाओ. एक watch now button है. Watch now click करेंगे. पहला click. You choose which charity you want. कितना पैसा देने वाले हैं.
Mhm.
वो payment हो गया. You watch the show. So it's a 3-step process. Very very simple. पहला charity है Cry India, Child Rights and You. They're doing pandemic education. So a lot of underprivileged kids. आपका बच्चा तो Zoom पे जा रहा है ना, या स्कूल पे जा रहा है, but a lot of underprivileged kids don't have iPads and don't have
Yeah.
computers to learn online in a pandemic. So they're providing digital education to kids. Voice of Stray Dogs is feeding stray animals throughout the country in lockdowns and pandemics. HelpAge India is doing elderly protection and nutrition kits.
Okay.
So survival kits for the elderly.
Yeah.
And Doctors for You is doing PPE kits for doctors. So depending on who you like and who you hate, you can donate to all of them or one of them. वो आप अपना balance कर लेना.
This is really good. Thank you so much, Veer, for not just giving us an hour long of laughs, but also some of those tears, as I said, and that's why this is so special. I wish you well, and I hope to see you soon on the other side.
I will see you soon and hug you from 6 feet away, and then maybe from 1 foot away soon, and then a real hug very very soon.
Bye bye.